guys, welcome back to today's video. So I'm going to be doing another subscription box unboxing. I actually have two boxes here from Boxycharm. So this is my regular box. I think it's just the standard base, and then they also have this Tarte and Boxycharm collab, which we are going to open, and they got caught in the rains. That's why the box is all deformed. So if you are interested, let's get into it. First with the regular box, and then we'll get into the Boxycharm box. And if you guys ever want to sign up for Boxycharm, I have a link in my description box. And last month, which I reviewed at the very end of the month, it was so good. I was really impressed. I had also got the Luxe box. So if you guys want to check out that video, I will link it at the end of this one. Okay, so I just reached my hand in. I do not look at spoilers or anything like that. This is the Fleur & Bee Eyes Baby Anti-Aging Eye Cream. I have not ever heard of this brand. It says it's cruelty-free, it's vegan, sustainably made, it's made without parabens, sulfates, artificial fragrances, and 13,000 other nasties. I'm very interested to try this. It looks so good. I love brands like this that work really hard to not have bad ingredients in them. So I'm very interested in this. Let's open this up so I can just take a look at it. I have like so many eye creams, you guys, but I love them. Like, I use them all. And I actually go through eye creams pretty quickly because I will slather them on. It's in this really cute little, what would they call this, amber color jar? I think the scent that it has is from like the essential oils, but it looks really thick and creamy. Like, I feel like this is going to make a really nice night cream. So that is awesome. I'm definitely going to be trying that out, and hopefully we'll be looking a little bit more into that brand. Next, we have Tahitian Breakfast. I don't know, is that the brand? Tahitian Breakfast? It says it's a dewy collagen face primer. So very colorful, tropical packaging. It says breakfast for the skin. Breakfast of champions in the tropics hits different. We're all about that morning glow, a glossy boost of collagen to start the day off right. Think of Tahitian Breakfast as your skin's morning collagen smoothie with plant and fruit extracts into a dewy, milky serum. Okay, cool. So that is super interesting. Oh, it's from that brand, Dew of the Gods, which I believe I follow this guy on Instagram who like owns this brand. So it's really pretty. I haven't tried the other product that they sent. It was like a face mask or moisturizer. It smells so good. But I'm definitely curious to test that out. Gosh, wait, you guys, this brand is one that I found at TJ Maxx recently. It's called Playa, and it's like based off of, I guess, like things that are beachy. So this is the Manoi Milk leave-in conditioner, and it has coconut milk and Manoi oil to smooth, frizz, and soften strands. You get deep conditioning leave-in treatment formulated for chemically treated, dry, frizzy, damaged hair. It penetrates the hair shaft, taming frizz, helping to heal damage, while coconut milk conditions, gives shine and softness. Okay, so I really like these types of products. I like that it's a spray. What I usually do with the leave-in conditioner is I put this in my hair before I brush it, and I feel like it kind of works as a detangler. Smell anything, but that's no big deal. I prefer things to be fragrance free. So I wanted to try this brand since I saw it, and now I get to, so that's awesome. That's why we love Boxycharm. Okay, next up we have a classic Boxy brand. This is Ciate London, and I love their products. Well, most of their products. This is the Spice Eyeshadow Palette, and it says spice up your eye looks with Ciate London Spice Palette. High pigmented metallics and neutral mattes. Okay, I'm excited to see what the colors look like. Ooh, I love the packaging. It's like this pretty matte. It looks very luxurious. Ooh, she's pretty. Okay, this is beautiful. You know what this kind of reminds me of? A little bit of, and I'm no expert, but this does remind me a little bit of the Patrick Ta palettes. Maybe that's what it was kind of modeled after, because you have those really like thick shimmery colors and then these mattes. This I will definitely try. Like, these are my shades right here. this is really nice. I would love to test this out in a video, so stay tuned, you guys, for a testing makeup. It's really beautiful. I do want to like swatch one of these shimmers actually now that I'm looking at it. Ooh, it's very soft. Oh my gosh, that's so beautiful. Let's swatch this one too. Like that. Ooh, that is so pretty. Oh my goodness, you guys. Okay, so the swatches look good, but we will have to see how it performs on the eyes. You guys know this was my 4th product, so I think this is my last one. What are you? Trace Loose Beauty. I have not heard of this brand either. It's the Lucette Glow Highlighter Palette. Okay. It says, radiate your light out to the world beautifully with this highlighter palette. Vitamin E and Mexican blue agave deliver a softness. Blue agave from Mexico, and it's cruelty free. Also looks like there's no talc in here as well, which is nice. I've noticed a lot of brands have been trying to take talc out. Okay. Here's the packaging. And here are the highlighters. So we have a white color. This is more like a pink, like a dirtier copper gold, and then like a true pure gold. That's interesting about this Mexican blue agave. I've not heard of that yet, or like I never heard any other brand talk about that or use that before. So these are really pretty. I probably though would only use this color, Luz. Like I don't think the other ones would work that well with my skin tone, but this would be a beautiful palette for someone who does have like a medium skin tone. So there we go. It has a nice mirror in there. Love to see it, you guys. Okay, and let's look at the pamphlet. So it says the Ciate London palette is a new launch. It's $39. The Trace Loose highlighter palette is $26, and Fleur & B eye cream is $26 as well. The Playa Manoy leave-in conditioner is $24, and the Dew of the Gods primer is $32. Total retail value for my box is $148, and I believe Boxycharm is now going for like $27.99, so that's actually really good. And in case you want to know my box number, it is C2210007-BA. Okay, so now let's move on to the Boxycharm and Tarte collab box. I'm very excited for this. So it says, the brand you love, the boxy you can't live without. Say hello to a match made in makeup. And I do have a very special guest here helping me. You can't see him, but Gizzy is helping me open this box. Okay, so first up, we have the Tarte Double Take Awake Micro Liquid Liner and Brightener. Definitely something that's up my alley because I always do a wing liner, and I usually always, not today of course, but I usually always do a nude pencil. So something like this would be like amazing for traveling, so I could just carry this and not have to carry 2 things. So it says all day wear, waterproof. I'm very excited to try this out. Okay, next up we have the Awake by Tarte. I've heard this brand, but I've never tried anything from it. It's the Sunshine Stick Illuminator. That looks really fun. It says to apply to under eyes in the morning. Oh my gosh, I thought it was a highlighter, but it's saying to put this under your eyes. It has antioxidant rich fruits to nourish, soothe, and smooth, a cooling sensation, reduces the look of puffiness and dark circles. So, okay, it's multi-purpose is what they're saying. You can use it as a highlighter, but you can also use it as a cooling stick under your eyes. Now, I'm not used to putting any sort of luminous highlighter under my eyes, so I don't know how I feel about that. But the packaging is like absolutely adorable. I love this. It's so cute. I love how it's like rounded. I feel like you don't really see that too often. I really can't see anything, you guys. It really just seems clear. I would say a very, very light, like undetectable light shimmer, which I mean could be good for just like a light makeup day, or like it says, to just refresh underneath the eyes. So there's that. Next up we have Tarte C Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost. I'm trying to think if I've ever tried this before. I don't think I have. It says 24-hour moisture, hyaluronic acid, and electrolytes awaken and refresh the skin, helps soften and plump the skin's appearance, and it's a water-based gel that's lightweight and non-greasy. Lavender oil, coconut oil, shea butter, extracts in here, orange peel oil. Coconut oil might break people out, so I would be careful if you're sensitive to coconut oil, but we will see how that one is. Oh my gosh, I've been dying to try this, you guys. It's the Maracuja Juicy Lip. I've seen so many people wearing these. This is in the shade Rose. This looks so nice. I literally was saying the other day I really wanted to try this product. So it's just like this little stick and you have to press it up like this. Pretty color. It's like a rose. It's really what it is. So that's awesome. I've also seen a version where it's like a squeezy tube, which is another one I've been wanting to try, like a lip gloss. Oh, an oldie, but a goodie, the Tarte Lights, Cameras, Lashes Mascara, the 4-in-1 mascara. It says it has Magna Lash Wand. It volumes, lengthens, and curls. 24-hour flake-free wear. And it's in that like cute little packaging. You guys have seen this. This has like been around forever. Where it looks like it's in like a little case, but it's actually just the mascara. Okay, I'm curious to try that because I've never tried this mascara before, and I'm a mascara junkie. And then I believe we have one more product in here, which looks like a palette. Ooh, Sunrise Amazonian Clay Eyeshadow Palette. This is just like, as we know, Tarte is a neutrals, and their palettes always smell the best. Like, I'm not even kidding when I tell you guys, they smell like vanilla. So here's the packaging. Oh my gosh, this one does not smell like vanilla. I'm kind of disappointed. It's very similar, I'd say, to the other palette I showed you guys. Like, kind of similar color schemes, but this is just like a nice everyday palette for sure. I do like Tarte's eyeshadows a lot, so that's fun. I like that nice big mirror. Really nice. I'm excited to try that. I have 2 palettes now to try, so this was cool. They gave a little bit of everything in here. You got skincare as well as some nice makeup items. So let's look at the pamphlet. So the Amazonian Clay palette is $30. I'm actually surprised it's a good price. The liquid liner and brightener is $25. The Juicy Lip Balm is $21. The moisturizer is $39. The mascara is $24, and the sunshine stick is $25. So the total retail value for this box comes out to $164. And I do think this was a really fun box. I love when it's like a brand theme because it allows me to try more stuff from that brand, and it's just fun, right? So let me know what you guys think or what you thought of these 2 boxes that I got. If it's a little like noisy, maybe you can hear the rain. I have the window open. It's raining. Maybe it's soothing you. So I hope you guys liked this video, and if you like unboxings, please give this video a thumbs up. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you got any of the stuff that I got, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!